In today's edition of The Law and You, we're joined by attorneys Greg Fellerman and Harry McGrath. Great to see you both.
Great to see you.
You guys are always so helpful to our viewers, so let's get to this question today. This one is coming in from Tom in Hazel Township. Tom says, I was driving down the road during a snowstorm and the road was covered in snow. A pickup truck pulled out in front of me and I tried to stop but slid on the road and crashed into the car. I was injured. Can I sue the driver and the township that didn't plow the roads? Great question this time of year. A lot of people will be dealing with this.
Very relevant. Good
and
question.
You know, the answer, of course, is not as straightforward as you would hope. Depending on whether or not you had the right of way, you're going to have an ability to bring a claim against the driver that you had the crash with. It sounds like this person pulled out in front of you, and so typically under those circumstances, when you're traveling, you know, with the right of way, you can bring a claim against someone that does that. Bringing something against the township is going to be a little bit more difficult because they enjoy a lot of immunities, and then there's some case law out there actually that talk about, you know, what the Pennsylvania state government can do with respect to plowing, and you know, they have a lot of leeway. As long as they've done something, typically you cannot bring a claim just because roads are not plowed. But I'll let Greg elaborate a little bit more on maybe some of the exceptions in the areas where you might be able to consider something.
Well, look, the case against the township is really weak. I give it a big thumbs down. I would definitely focus your case on the driver. The driver pulled out, and Harry talked about right away, you have the lane of travel, this guy pulls out in front of you. Focus your case on them. Don't get distracted trying to chase the township down, because all they're going to do is, you know, they'll probably end up getting out of the case with no liability, and you're spending a lot of time and money chasing that part of the claim. So I would focus on your case against the real person who made the mistake. You know, a guy, you know, obviously has a higher duty when he's entering the lane of travel. That's your best case. Make sure you pick up the phone, give us a call, we'll help you out.
All
Absolutely.
right, just like you said, give them a call or find them online. Guys, thanks so much for being here.
Thank you.
If you have a question, submit it at pahomepage.com or give the hotline a call.